The documentation requirement of transfer pricing is governed by Section 92D of Income Tax Act, read with Rule 10D of Income Tax Rules. Broadly, these documents would be in two broad categories. One, a profile of the group of which the reporting entity is a part, the business in which the reporting entity is engaged, as well as the other entities of the group, ownership structure. So that would be one part of the documentation. I am summarizing briefly. The other part would be what we call as FAR analysis of the international transaction. That is functions, assets and risks profile of the actual transactions which have been undertaken during the year concerned. So for that, of course, this is a I would say a practical exercise where I can try to summarize it that the transaction which is between controlled parties is required to be compared with uncontrolled or third parties, and therefore there are requirements depending upon the nature of the transaction, uh, that we have to find out the comparables, uh, the functions the comparables are performing, uh, the differences in the comparables as compared to the reporting entity, or I would say tested party. So all those documents have to be maintained, uh, which require the taxpayer to establish that it has arrived at its arm's length price on the basis of the rules and mandate of income tax law.